All right, this is something that we also built here on the farm during the same time we were doing our concrete pad over there. This is an inline fence feeder. We took the lumber that we had over there. Both of these ends open up and we can put 2 round bales in there at a time. Because we used the salvage lumber, we did buy the 4 posts. The 4 posts were purchased and the metal roof was purchased. The concrete, there's only about 3 yards of concrete in this. So I haven't put a full figure on it, but it's more like $2,500 range on this particular project. So I always look at it when you buy a hay ring, and I can put 2 round bales in there. That would require 2 hay rings. There's a $600, $700 investment there. If you have a bull in that field, he'll smash that hay ring out the first year. So anyway, we think this will help us. It's a permanent structure and it will keep the cattle out of the mud. If you turn your camera around, you'll see a brand new baby calf that was just born, hadn't even stood up yet. Anyway, all right, so back to our hay facility. There is a cost to the roof, the cost of the slant bars, but what I say, as mentioned before, I think that by the time you buy hay rings on a regular basis, this will pay for itself in 3 or 4 years.